Hi, I'm Holly Pike. If you'd like a trial of the Generation software that I use for digitizing, please visit trygenerations.com. This video is a recording of a live video I did for my previous students. You may hear references to You Can Digitize or YCD. That's my old website that is now closed. My new website is digitizingschool.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Did the side-by-side satin tool, and that was fun, and we were pretty successful at that. So now we're going to do the side-to-side satin tool. This one's a little more tricky, but it can be done if you just follow my instructions and do exactly what I tell you to do. It's going to be okay. All right, let's get started. The side-by-side satin tool that we just did is a pretty simple tool. This one is a little more complicated. Let me show you how this tool works. If I have two lines, actually I'm going to make them a little further apart. If I have two lines like this, and I want to put if I want to make sure I have stitch angles here, the way to do that is different than with the other tool. Here's how this works. It goes back and forth, so you create a ladder. This is going to be your number one left click. So you're going to go left click, right click, come across here, left click, come across here, left click, come across here. That's actually left click, I'm sorry. So you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going click, click, move, click, click, move, click, so on and so forth. It makes this when you do your satin stitch, when you actually use the tool. You get a ladder effect, and that's how it looks as you're doing it. So it's all done in one step rather than a line, and then stitching the lines. It's all done in one step. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to go to Insert Image, and I'm going to grab this piece of artwork. Image as template, just like we've been doing all day, and that's fine. The size is fine. Make it a little darker. Okay. So this looks complicated. It looks really, really complicated, but it's not. I've got this all numbered out for you. It's going to tell you which one is like connecting the dots. It's like paint by number. It's like, I don't know, connecting the dots. Very, very simple. I'm going to choose the two-side satin tool. My first, let me go up to 400. You're going to see this better at 400. I'll choose my two-side satin tool. 1L, 2L. Number 3 is a right click. Number 4 is a right click. 5 is a right. 6 is a right. 7, 8. These are all right clicks, and you see I'm going across. Here's 11, and 12 is right across from it. When I get to 13, it says 13L, 14L. 15R, or right, 16R. Don't let it get away from you. 17, 18, 19, 20. You're making a ladder. 21, 22, 23, 24. And when you get back here, it's going to be 25 left, and then down here, 26 left. And hit enter. And here is your heart. If you follow, you're like marching left, right, left, right, left, right, all the way around, all the way around. And on the curves, you're using a right click. On the points, you're using a left click. Okay? Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Go to Insert Image. Choose this artwork, Images template, just like we've been doing all day, and OK. The size is okay if you want it a little bigger. I'm going to make it a little bigger, just so it's bigger for you all. If you want to darken it, Shift and the plus key. Okay, now we're ready to go. I'm going to bring this up to 400 because it's easy at 400. Actually, I'm going to make it 200 so that you can see a lot more. Now we're just going to follow instructions. I'm going to take our two-side satin tool. We'll start with a left click for 1. See where it says 1L, 1L, 2L, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R. We're just going to follow those instructions. 1L, 2 left, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, 7 right, 8 right, 9 right, 10 right, 11 right, 12 right, 13 left, 14 left because it's a point, 15 right, 16 right, 17 right, 18 right, 19 right, 20 right, 21, whoops, come back here, 22 right, 23 right, 24 right, 25 left, right on top of number 1, 26 left, right on top of number 2, hit enter. Just that simple. Just that simple. You don't need to put stitch angles in because when I right click on this and go to the stitch angles, they are already there. You put them in with your 5 and then crossing to 6, 7, crossing to 8. You put them in. Now we can add more if we want to. We can add a stitch direction line if we want to. You know, if we kind of look at it and we say, oh, we want to add some more, we can do that. No problem. But you don't need to generally. There's your heart. And there's your artwork. Okay? Not so hard. Not so hard at all. End of two-side satin tool module.